Do you still remember the purpose of turtle that Master Roshi told us to follow? With the hunger feeling, even Goku couldn't make any progress. You know the deal. So, in order to save the world, I choose to get full, not only in power, but also my lovely stomach. Howdy, this is your chef Neil, and I still remember that back when I was a child, I was always wondering that what exactly is a tien? Like, it seems to be familiar, but IDK none about it. But as we have got this question, why not going with me and finding out the truth? Back then, there was no science at all, but I was always working on getting a hold of Dragon Balls, and with that, I could make my wish. Every time after our school, we would like to have fun by acting like a fighter in a famous comic, Dragon Ball Z, and compete for the champion of Tenkaichi Budokan, and ended up being with swollen face. You know what? Those memories are all unforgettable, and it is like until now, I finally realized those precious things from it. Maybe it's not too late. In a comic, everybody is with a score to measure your own power, but I do know that you can always be better with your own willing on different things in the world, and I guess the score is just a figure. But with every meal I ate, I will become stronger. So that's the point why heroes always come out at the end. They need to store enough power, or in short, they need to eat more. Goku, as a real warrior, he's still doing the milk delivering, and thus I know that every step you make, whatever it is a great one or not, will all be the precious thing you do in your life. Stay more careful and cautious, kids. We're all hard working for a better life, and as long as you're following your heart, you'll be more likely to reach your target. Like the quote, making millions of dollars repeat. I will always do have the thought that everyone is with a chance to become a Saiyan, and for me, I do know that I have to do well in all things around me. I work well, learn well, enjoy well, and most importantly, I eat well and rest well. And then, just go ahead and find your dream, buddy. Enjoying while hard working though. Even though now, we can never hear from Mr. Akira Toriyama, we still got everything started from the summer that we all raised our hands up.